Do you know how to put 6 cloves of garlic into this box? This is a puzzle from Japan in 2018. At first glance, it seems simple, but the problem is that even if you manage to put all the garlic cloves into the base, the lid won't close perfectly. You could try swapping their positions, since you don't know how they're supposed to be arranged initially. But the problem persists. The reason is simple. Each clove of garlic can fit into different slots simultaneously, and they are all very similar in shape. It's difficult to figure out exactly where it should be placed. We need to find the one correct solution from hundreds of incorrect arrangements. What we need to do is determine the position of the first one, but you don't know where it should be, so we need to test them one by one. This process requires a lot of patience to find the exact position of each clove of garlic, because they can fit into different positions. When they are all in the correct positions, you'll see the lid close perfectly. Did you like this puzzle? Can you separate these two nails? This is a classic puzzle originating in the 18th century. You can see that the two nails are open, which might seem like a simple puzzle, but in fact, the width isn't enough to separate them like that. You can try various different angles, but the problem remains the same. You can find an angle where the two nails cross, but that's not the solution, because at this position, the nails are stuck. You can't remove them. If we go back the way we came, we're back at the starting point, which seems completely impossible. The good news is that the two nails aren't completely closed. Otherwise, the puzzle would be impossible to solve. You need to hold one of the nails still, then rotate the other nail. At this point, many people would give up. But if you repeat the same action after rotating it twice, you can separate the two nails. Then put them back in their original positions, just performing the exact same steps, but rotating one of the nails backward. This puzzle can be solved in both directions. Do you like this puzzle? How can this ring be removed? This is a classic puzzle from the 18th century. Its solution may surprise you. Because it looks impossible to complete, you will see the ring trapped between two parts, which is the first impossibility. You can place the ring here and try to remove the chain, but it is blocked by a ball, and the chain cannot be removed either, so it's impossible again. So, what is the solution? What we need to do is place the ring here and then put the chain into the hole. The next step is to move the ring to the right, and the ring will come to the back of the puzzle. Next, place the ball into the ring. When you reach here, keep moving to the left. We place it here again like this. Then put the chain on the left into the hole. The next step is to move the ring to the left, and the ring will come to the back again. Then place the ball into the ring once more, and we can remove the ring. Do you like this puzzle? Can you put this coin into the frame? This is a puzzle from 2020. It looks like there's some space in the frame, but it just won't fit. We can rearrange the pieces, and if we actually try to take them out, we'll realize that sometimes they don't match. So, if even the blocks can't all fit, how can we possibly put in a coin? Because the puzzle has only one real solution. You have to find the precise position of every piece. So what is the solution? Soon we'll see how the necessary space appears. All we have to do is place the 10 first. Then put the 9 next to it, and there's just enough space for the 8. Then put the 7 here, the 6 here, the 5 here, the 4 here. For the last 2 numbers, we put 1 here, leaving space for the other. After placing them, if we move them slightly, you'll find that there's just enough space to accommodate the last coin. Did you like this puzzle? Do you know how to assemble these 4 pieces into a rectangle? This is a classic puzzle from 2013. When you put the pieces together, you'll see that the resulting rectangle is missing a part. You can try rearranging them, but the problem remains. The rectangle is never complete. These kinds of puzzles are often difficult to solve because there are hundreds of incorrect arrangements of the 4 pieces, but only one correct solution. You must find the exact orientation of each piece. So what is the solution? In solving this puzzle, you may have come very close to the solution, but just can't see it, like now. Usually, we would place the remaining 2 pieces on either side, but you'll still see the rectangle is incomplete. Now we can think about it from a different angle. Move them to the sides like this, and the rectangle will appear before your eyes. Did you like this puzzle?